Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set black and white app icons on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do when you want to set black and white app icons on iPhone is come to the app menu, press and hold it, and to see all the application shaking or wiggling like this. Now go ahead and click on the edit button at the top left, locate and click on customize. Once you click on customize, then you have dark and light mode, you have automatic, and then you have tinted. Now to change or set black and white app icons on iPhone, all you need to do is just come here and select tinted. So once selected tinted, make sure the first slider is set to the minimum and then the second slider is set to the maximum, and after that hit outside and then you're good. You see that? So that is basically how to set black and white app icons on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.